Now that you have come up with a proper idea and strategy for an R&D, the next step would be to invent. So I don't need to explain how you should invent because you are the expert person in this. I will describe how to make sure that your invention is well protected so that you can earn maximum from it. So when it comes to filing a patent application, just filing a patent application is not enough. The claims of the patent application are very important. If the person who is drafting your patent application is not experienced enough, they may end up drafting a patent claims in such a way that you may get a patent, but that won't be enough to stop your competitors. So defining a strategy on drafting claims is the next step that you have to do. And connecting with the right resources is very important. So if you want to start your patenting journey right away, contact us right now. We'll help you in drafting strong claims that will not only protect your invention, but will give you a breadth where your competitors will find it difficult to launch similar products in the market. So don't wait. Thousands of patents are being filed every day. So don't miss an opportunity. Contact us right now and start your patenting journey right away.